The Safety First Grow and Go all-in-one car seat offers versatility with its ability to transition from a rear-facing seat to a forward-facing seat, and then to a booster, accommodating children from birth up to 100 pounds. This car seat is designed with convenience in mind, featuring an adjustable headrest and harness that can be modified in one swift motion without needing to rethread or reinstall. Parents will appreciate the machine-washable seat pad that easily snaps off, along with dishwasher-safe cup holders, making cleaning a breeze. For added comfort, the car seat includes 2 removable pillows that grow with your child and a 3-position recline to ensure the perfect fit in your vehicle. Safety is prioritized with this car seat meeting or exceeding federal safety standards, including side impact protection. With its user-friendly design, the Safety First Grow and Go car seat ensures that harness straps stay out of the way, making it simpler to get your child in and out of the seat.